The desire for a brighter smile has led many to seek various teeth whitening methods. One cost-effective option is baking soda, known for its mild abrasive properties that help remove surface stains. However, improper use can damage tooth enamel, leading to sensitivity and other issues. This guide will explore the proper methods for using baking soda to whiten teeth and provide additional tips for maintaining a bright smile. Understanding tooth stains is crucial. Baking soda is effective for extrinsic stains from coffee, tea, and tobacco. For intrinsic stains, professional treatments may be necessary. By following recommended methods and precautions, you can safely use baking soda for a brighter smile. The simplest method involves creating a paste with baking soda and water. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water until a paste forms, then brush gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Another option is combining baking soda with hydrogen peroxide for enhanced whitening. Mix equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Apply for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. You can also sprinkle baking soda onto your toothpaste before brushing. A baking soda mouthwash can help whiten teeth and freshen breath. Dissolve a quarter teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of warm water, and swish for 30 seconds. Some use baking soda with lemon juice, but this should be done sparingly due to the acidity. Always monitor for increased sensitivity and adjust usage accordingly. Baking soda's abrasiveness can damage tooth enamel if used incorrectly or excessively. Limit treatments to a few times per week to avoid enamel erosion and increase sensitivity. If you experience sensitivity, discontinue use and consult your dentist. Baking soda does not contain fluoride, essential for preventing cavities, so use fluoride toothpaste alongside baking soda treatments. Consult your dentist before using baking soda, especially if you have underlying dental issues. Your dentist can provide personalized advice on the best method and frequency for your needs. Enamel erosion can lead to increased tooth sensitivity and make teeth more susceptible to cavities. Use baking soda gently and avoid applying too much pressure when brushing. Give your teeth time to recover between treatments. Desensitizing toothpaste can help alleviate sensitivity if needed. Maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for keeping your teeth white and healthy. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and floss daily to remove plaque and food particles. Limit consumption of stain-causing foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine. Rinse your mouth with water after consuming these items to minimize staining. Consider professional teeth whitening treatments for more dramatic results. Whitening toothpastes with the ADA seal of acceptance can help maintain a whiter smile. Explore ADA-approved whitening strips and kits for safe at-home whitening. Follow product instructions carefully for optimal results. Baking soda can be a cost-effective way to whiten teeth at home. Its mild abrasive properties help remove surface stains, revealing a brighter smile. Use baking soda correctly, and understand the potential risks to avoid damaging tooth enamel. Follow recommended methods and precautions and use fluoride toothpaste to protect against cavities. Consult your dentist before using baking soda, especially if you have underlying dental issues. Maintain good oral hygiene and limit stain-causing foods and drinks for lasting results. With the right approach, you can achieve a brighter smile without compromising your dental health.